Would you like to paint exquisite water reflections? Now you can when you study with artist and instructor Christine Lashley in Vibrant Landscapes, a video tutorial course that will help you advance your water reflection and landscape painting skills. Christine will show you how to observe water carefully to see how it behaves so you can create believable water with glistening reflections. She'll reveal her best tips and visual tricks to simplify complex reflections, making them much easier to paint. You'll understand how to identify warm, cool, and even hidden colors found in water scenes, so you'll be able to accurately mix and use the most realistic colors. Many artists do not take the time and effort to study water as a specific skill set. By studying with Christine, you'll gain tremendous knowledge and skill about water movement and reflections, one of the best skills you can possess that will truly set you apart from other painters. There are many variables to consider when painting water. Correct color. Is it moving water or still? Objects that are reflected in the water. Even the depth of the water will make a difference in how you paint it.
We're going to be painting in the studio. However, we're also going to be looking at plein air and how that is going to inform the studio paintings. And the big thing that I hope to get across to you is how to formulate your painting being excited about the moment that we experience outdoors.
Christine shows you how to take each variable, break the process down into steps, and keep your water scenes simple in order to capture the best likeness. You'll love her techniques that will help you paint with less confusion and more confidence. Along with the focus on water and reflections, Christine also shares her best methods for creating beautiful outdoor landscape paintings that match with what you envision. She'll take you through observations, sketches, photo references, studies, and blend that with your memory and imagination. With extensive teaching experience, leading 60 adults per week in art instruction for years, Christine is an excellent instructor as well as a highly accomplished artist. Her art has graced the cover of Plein Air magazine, and she's won many awards for her work. Vibrant Landscapes is your chance to steal Christine's unique abilities for easily expanding your palette, creating more color choices without buying more paint. You'll see Christine demonstrate a full painting from start to finish and also enjoy a digital gallery of some of her best work, as well as an interview with the artist. Available on DVD or instant video. Add Vibrant Landscapes to your resource library today.